Good morning, everyone. It is day 3. We are working on our Australia box. We packed our bags. We made our passports. We set off to Australia. Down under. The land down under. Do you know why it's called the land down under?
Why is it called the land down under?
I don't know.
I'm just. That was a trick question.
I'm going to Google that and I'm going to put it. But I would think because it's like under all the continents.
It's like the southernmost biggest landmass that's not Antarctica.
So that's what I'm gonna go with, but I'm going to verify those facts and I will put it in the link.
There we go.
All right, you guys. Australia. We did an ant. That's my attempt at an ape.
Oh, that's awesome.
Arrow. Apple. My other arrows. We did something a little different this time. We did dots, and then we connected the dots.
Oh, that's a smart idea.
So,
very smart.
Counted some boomerangs and koalas, Sydney Opera House. Then we did some symmetry, so quite fun. Erase it, do it over and over and over. Of course, we did our kangaroo, our marsupial with our Joey. Hello. Goodbye. All right, so today we are going to do our Great Barrier Reef. So you're going to need your bag full of goodies. You're going to need your other bag full of goodies. You got a couple bags full of goodies. All right, there should be one eyeball. No, it is not random that you have one eyeball.
We did not forget.
That is for our shark because he needed one. He needed one. All right, and then you should have a bunch of little counters. Okay, these are going to be our counters. So let's take those out and sit them on the side. Okay, and then you should have a shark. You should have some coral, some seaweed, a bigger shark, and a bigger piece of coral. All right, that's what you should have out ready to glue. I just had my glue stick.
Oh, it's for your passport. There it is. Hey, yep.
So the ones that look like this, these are 1-inch counters, okay? So do not glue those, okay? We're gonna keep those on the side. With these, we're gonna make a scene. We're gonna make a Great Barrier Reef, all right? So anywhere you want, you can decorate your ocean, okay? It can be any way you want. I'm gonna have this guy swimming away from my shark. Like, I'm out of here.
Probably a good idea.
See you later. Maybe I'll do like that. Okay, so any way you want. Try not to overlap them because we are gonna measure them. Anybody awake this morning?
We have Blake and Adrian this morning.
Good morning, Blake.
Looks like we have
Adrian.
Heather too.
Hi, Heather. Hi, Amanda. I hope all is well. All right. So we are going to take this and we are going to glue it down. All right. Let's do these other ones. So we got to make our scene before we can measure anything. This coral looks beautiful. I would love to see it. Love, 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 love to see it. Would you go scuba diving?
Ooh, I think I would.
Yeah?
I think I would, yeah.
I would love to be able to. Not sure if I could, but I would love to be able to. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I'd try it.
I like to snorkel.
Yeah. And see, I haven't done that yet either, and I would totally would, but
That's fun.
yeah.
All right. There is my last fish. And can't forget my eyeball.
There we go.
Put that on there. Just like that.
Oh, we have another shout out to Miyomi.
Oh, good morning. I'm so glad you got to join us this morning. All right. Woo, throwing fish. All right, once you have your scene put together, we're going to do some measuring. So we are not gonna glue these on, but we are going to take and we are going to measure how big our items are. So let's try this big coral first. Okay, so you're just gonna lay it down in order, and our fish are actually 1 inch fish. Okay, that is pretty close. I think if I did one more, it's gonna be a little too tall. Okay, so let's count and see how tall our coral is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this piece of coral is 6 fishes tall or 6 inches tall. Okay. Let's try this little guy. Oop, he is upside down because I am backwards. So we have about there, about there. So we have what? 1, 2. We have 2 fish, 2 inches. 2 inches. Let's try our shark. All right. He'll be Bob. Let's be
Bob the shark. So non-threatening. He's a good shark.
Yeah.
He's not gonna cause any harm.
So 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 4, 5, 6. I might be able to get. If I squeeze them together, he's pretty close. It looks like about 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So Bob is 7 inches long. All right, let's try our green one. You guys don't have as many fish, so you're gonna have to take them off of something. So 1, 2. Overlapped him. 3. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. We could try it this way too. 1, put it right on top. 2, 3.
Yep,
Do it that
just
way.
like that.
All right, and let's look at our last one. All right, so let's put these guys on here. Ooh, they are almost camouflage.
Ooh.
It's your word of the day. They are camouflage. All right, that's probably it for that one. Ooh. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can measure this. You can measure this. You could measure this way. Okay, the width. You can take your fish and you can get your kangaroo.
Here we go.
Okay, so you can use your fish to measure and see how big our Joey is. You can measure how tall our mama is. All right, you can take it around the house, measure, just go around and see. My hands still have glue on them. Okay, so these are just different ways that you can take and use these fish around the house, measure, put them back in the bag when you're done. Take them and put them back in the bag, because you're gonna wanna reuse this over and over. So we got to make our scene today, and then this is one of your reusable activities that you can keep bringing out and counting and measuring. All right, so I am putting these back in here so I don't lose my fish. And then I'm going to sit over here with all of our others. Reminders. China. We are visiting Australia now. China is being picked up. Still on sale. Of course, my seed never wants to stay up. So last day to order it on Crate Joy Shop All. Otherwise, you'll have to grab it on our 6-month subscription. One other thing that we did add, quick little tour that way. Surprise. Okay. So, yeah, we'll have a little scene like that in your kit as well. So, make sure you are getting your orders in today because, like I said, probably around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we are going to take that off of Cratejoy. So, it will only be available on the 6-month subscription. All right, you guys, have a fantastic day. I'll see you tomorrow at 9:15. Bye, you guys.